Today, I am reviewing Lenovo IdeaPad 1 2025 student laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and lightweight laptop for school, home, or everyday use, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 2025 student laptop is definitely worth considering. This machine is designed with students and casual users in mind, combining portability, performance, and essential features into one budget-friendly package. Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the design and portability. The IdeaPad 1 comes in a sleek gray finish and weighs just under 3.5 pounds, with a thickness of only 0.7 inches. That makes it easy to slip into a backpack and carry around campus or between classes. For students constantly on the move, this kind of portability is a huge plus. Now, moving to the display. This laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. The anti-glare coating is especially useful for long study sessions or online classes, reducing eye strain under bright lights. Whether you're attending a Zoom lecture, streaming videos, or working on a research paper, the display offers sharp visuals and decent color accuracy for everyday tasks. When it comes to performance, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is powered by an Intel quad-core N6000 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM. While this isn't designed for heavy gaming or demanding creative workloads, it's more than capable of handling schoolwork, research, web browsing, and multitasking between apps like Word, PowerPoint, and YouTube. The included 256 GB SSD storage ensures quick boot times and fast file access, so you won't be stuck waiting around when you need to get to work. A nice touch is the one-year subscription to Microsoft Office 365, which gives you access to essential tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with 1 TB of cloud storage. This adds significant value for students since it saves the extra cost of purchasing software separately. Another big highlight is the connectivity. This laptop comes with all the essential ports you might need, including USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a card reader. That means you can plug in a mouse, headphones, external monitor, or flash drive without needing extra dongles. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, which means faster, more stable internet connections, great for online classes or group projects where reliable video calls are a must. For multimedia and online classes, Lenovo equipped the IdeaPad 1 with Dolby audio speakers and a 720p HD webcam with a privacy shutter. While the speakers are not theater quality, they're clear enough for lectures and casual streaming. The webcam is perfect for online meetings, and the built-in shutter is an underrated feature that provides peace of mind when the camera is not in use. Battery life is another area where this laptop shines. Lenovo claims up to 10 hours of usage on a single charge, which means you can easily get through a full school day, including homework and light entertainment in the evening, without scrambling for a charger. This makes it a great choice for students who don't always have access to an outlet. The package even comes with a cooler bundle, which helps keep the laptop's temperature under control during extended use. This might sound small, but it's a thoughtful inclusion that ensures consistent performance and comfort, especially when the laptop is sitting on your lap for long periods. Now, to be clear, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 isn't meant to be a powerhouse. If you're into video editing, 3D design, or high-end gaming, this is not the right machine. But for what it's designed to do, school assignments, light productivity, streaming, and everyday use, it's more than capable. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 2025 student laptop offers excellent value. You get a large Full HD display, solid battery life, essential software like Office 365, modern connectivity with Wi-Fi 6, and a slim, lightweight design that makes it easy to carry anywhere. For students and casual home users, this laptop is practical, dependable, and budget-friendly. So if you're searching for a reliable laptop under budget for school, college, or home use, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 2025 is absolutely worth checking out.